Action. We're recording. She's so cute.
Oh, Dad!
Hey, Lauren. Lauren. DJ.
DJ.
Can you move over a little bit?
Yeah.
Thank you.
But I want to get wet.
It's okay.
Oh, look, they're going that way. Ah! They're behind you. Right there.
Ow.
See, look. They're playing over here. Yeah.
Hey, bro. TJ.
It broke?
Everybody knows. Guys, everybody knows my cat.
Of course.
Oh!
I missed it. The camera panned and the thing was handed.
She keeps trying to jump on it, but she keeps falling.
Wait, put the string on the put the string on the balancing beam. Aw, so close.
She keeps trying to grab it.
I think you're intimidating her when you jiggle it like that.
She keeps trying.
I zoomed into DJ. Look at the camera, DJ.
TJ, over here.
She's looking at it.
So adorable.
Meow.
Meow wow.
Meow.
Meow wow.
She keeps trying to grab it. She's adorable.
Look at TJ go.
Is this the cutest thing you ever saw?
Yeah. I think so. Or at least in person.
Oh my god!
You keep fighting it.
Wait, where'd he go? Where'd TJ go? Where'd Mr. TJ go? Oh.
You don't have to worry.
Wait, no! Don't put your butt in the camera. Where is TJ at? Sam, don't do that.
Hey,
Camera,
you don't have
focus,
to worry
please.
That much because I used to have a cat and I never had a shock with it.
Okay.
You know, it was so much good. Like she haven't never died.
She's moving. TJ's moving so fast that the camera can barely focus.
See, look, she's going very fast. See, look, she's
Yay! Bro, can I get this? Thank you.
Okay, there. I panned the camera down while I was walking.
Didn't make her do silly moves.
Okay.
Silly.
Yeah, like you did. Because I'm probably gonna walk like this. This. That's what you did.
I think you intimidate her when you do that. With the string.
That's not a string, that's metal.
No, it's metal beads on a string.
High five, bro. You still fighting at it, bro. It's not even moving. He's taking it with him.
Wait, where'd he go?
He bit it and he was taking it with him.
Where did he go? Did he go in the closet?
No. He bit me. Nathaniel, stop doing that. No, that's too close to me.
What was that?
That,
Don't do that to the camera because then you unfocus it.
that was the end of TJ. Bye.
Oh, bye. Let's say bye.
Bye.